Hi everyone, it's your girl Goldiie Loxx, and I am back with another video. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see all of my hair videos when they load up. Alright, so today I am going to attempt to do a twist out. Never done one before. My hair is freshly washed. I'm going to use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie as my styler, and of course my water mixed with my Kinky Curly Knot Today. So this is the Kinky Curly Knot Today. And I mix it with water because it is very thick and I kind of don't like the consistency of it. To begin, my hair is already parted down the middle. So yeah, I'm just gonna twist this off, make sure I do it really tight, and twist the hair as I twist the two strands together. You wanna make sure your hair is really smooth. So my hair is actually growing quite a bit. You know, since I've been taking my biotin, my collagen, you know. I'm just gonna twist it all the way to the end. Kind of coil it if you can. So that's my first twist. I'm just gonna do this all over my head.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
Okay, so I'm back. My hair is fully dry. I did have to blow dry a little bit. So I'm gonna start by putting this hydrating oil from Pantene Gold Series on my hands. This is a dark bag.
Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like Macintosh. Open up.
Okay guys, so my hair is now dry. This is the taken down look. So now it is time to separate. So let's separate. This is the final look. My final thoughts I kind of wish I had to let it dry a little longer. That way they would all be kind of more defined like this. And then I have these straighter pieces, which I'm not too fond of. I mean, it looks okay. Something I'd have to master, of course. I think the product did do well on my hair that I used. I just think it should have stayed up longer. I think that was probably the biggest downfall, because you can see this is more frizz than it is definition, especially up and through here. But yeah, I will have to try this again and I guess master it. Let it dry overnight or something. So tell me what you think, or any tips and tricks on what I should do. Thanks for watching.